Hey guys, welcome to my new video. As you can see, I already have a tons of coins in WePlay application. After a lot of search, finally, I found a working trick, which gave me unlimited coins. It's really easy to do. You just need to follow a few steps carefully, and you will get the coins. It works on both device, Android and iOS too, so no need to worry about it. But before you start, make sure you have installed the latest version of WePlay app. If you already have it, you can start the first step. Open your mobile browser and type this website. Okay, now we are on the website main page. To start the process, type your WePlay username, select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much coins do you want, and simply just tap the generate button to add the coins. The generator started to add the coins to your account, so be patient. This may take some time, depend of your internet speed and your device hardware. After all it's done, you need to finish the last step. It's so easy to do. You just need to download 2 mobile applications from the list, run each for 30 seconds, or register, sign up to complete the verification, and you got your coins almost instantly. Okay, now everything's done. Open the WePlay application and boom, we got the coins instantly. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will help to you guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.